I, I'm not even in yet, so it might not even be a problem. Mum. Mum, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have gone behind your back. It's not like I'm definitely going to New York. Mum, aren't you sort of proud of me that I'm this close to getting in? Just a little. I mean, yes, it was probably easier with less people applying because 9/11 and terrorism and all that. Still, though, I'm sorry. I know I can be a bad person and lie and... I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt. Yes, I appreciate everything you've done for me. I'm ungrateful and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I wanted more. Mum, please, talk to me. Please. Mum, I'm so sorry. I know, I'm so bad. Just please, talk to me. Please.